Imagine riding down the open road and carrying your entire home with you. Not in a massive RV, not in a bulky trailer, but on a sleek, three-wheeled machine that turns heads everywhere it goes. What you're looking at is something truly special. A stunning 2026 camper tricycle built from the legendary Honda Goldwing. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic touring bike. But take a closer look, and you'll realize it's actually a tiny home on wheels. This incredible creation combines adventure, freedom, and minimalist living into one unforgettable ride. For people who dream of escaping rent, exploring the world, and living simply, this tiny mobile home could be the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. From the front, the design instantly captures attention. The powerful frame and signature styling of the Honda Goldwing remain, but behind the rider's seat, something magical appears. A beautifully crafted camper cabin integrated into the tricycle body. The transformation from luxury motorcycle to micro home is seamless. It feels futuristic yet practical, compact yet surprisingly comfortable. The three-wheel design gives the vehicle incredible stability. Unlike a traditional motorcycle, the camper tricycle can balance easily even when parked, which makes it perfect for travel and overnight stays. Whether you're cruising along scenic highways, exploring mountain roads, or pulling into a quiet lakeside spot, this machine gives you the freedom to stop and live wherever the road takes you. But the real surprise is what's hidden inside the camper. Step around the back and you'll discover a tiny living space that looks like it came straight out of a futuristic minimalist apartment. The interior is compact but thoughtfully designed to maximize every inch. A comfortable sleeping area folds out from the main seating space, creating a cozy bed perfect for resting after a long ride. Soft lighting, smart storage compartments, and clever folding furniture make the cabin feel welcoming rather than cramped. Imagine parking under the stars, opening the camper door, and stepping into your own little sanctuary after a long journey. Above the sleeping area, small shelves hold travel essentials, books, or cooking supplies. There's room for a portable stove, a mini cooler, and even charging ports for devices powered by a compact battery system. Some builds even include small solar panels on the roof to help generate electricity during the day. It's tiny living taken to the extreme, but in the best possible way. The beauty of this camper tricycle is how it blends two worlds together: motorcycle adventure and the tiny home movement. Instead of spending thousands every month on rent or a traditional house, this concept offers a completely different lifestyle. One where your home moves with you, where every sunrise can be in a new location, and where the open road becomes your backyard. And because it's built on the reliable Honda Goldwing platform, it's not just about looks. The Goldwing has long been known as one of the most comfortable touring motorcycles ever created. Smooth power, excellent suspension, and long-distance reliability make it the perfect base for a travel machine like this. That means this camper tricycle isn't just a cool idea. It's a practical road-ready vehicle designed for real adventure. Picture waking up early in the morning, opening the small camper door, and stepping outside to a breathtaking view of mountains, forests, or ocean waves. There's no noisy hotel hallway, no expensive booking, no rush to check out. Just pure freedom. Make a quick cup of coffee with your portable stove, sit beside your tricycle home, and watch the sunrise. Moments like that are what this lifestyle is all about. The design also turns heads everywhere it goes. People are naturally curious when they see a camper attached to a tricycle.